Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Sandbox token. The price line of Sandbox is stuck in a falling wedge pattern after a big rally, and in today's video we will analyze whether the price line is going to break out the resistance of this falling wedge or it is going to move more down inside this pattern. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that this was our previous major rally and this is our recent rally. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line after this rally was retraced up to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And if I place again the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line after this rally dropped up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is the golden pocket or golden ratio, and from here we can expect a powerful reversal, and we can see that the price line just hit the spike here and reversed back. Now it is moving at a 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the level from where the price line was reversed bullish when we had this previous rally. Now if I connect these rejection points of the candlesticks on this daily time frame chart, let me zoom out the chart so it will be more visible for you. We have first rejection here, then we have another rejection here, then we have another rejection here, and right now we are likely to have another rejection here as well. And after connecting all these candlesticks, if now I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then the situation is more visible and this rejection is more visible on this chart. We can see that we have rejection here, 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 and this is another rejection we are going to have, and this is the support we have here, and this is the formation of another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. You can see that this falling wedge is visible on the daily time frame and even on the 4-hourly time frame as well. And if we take a look at the RSI, the stochastic oscillator on this 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that we are also having a bearish divergence on this 4-hourly time frame chart. Like the price line formed a higher than previous high, where the stochastic formed lower high than previous high. So there is a hidden bullish divergence, and right now the price line is likely to follow this signal of the stochastic, and it is moving down, and it is possible that it will test the support once again. And here I want to show you one more very interesting thing, and that is the synchronization between the movements of the price line and the stochastic. You can see whenever the price line is moving at the support and the stochastic is visiting the oversold zone and giving this buying signal, whenever the blue line of the stochastic crosses up the orange line, that is a buying signal, especially when we receive this buying signal from this oversold zone that is considered to be a more powerful buying signal. And you can see that the price line is following the signal very well and rallying up to this resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Here the same thing again happened. We can see that the price line it touched the support of this falling wedge, and the stochastic also visited the oversold zone, and the price line again moved up, and here the price line touched the resistance of this falling wedge. And right now again the price line is moving down. It is possible that the stochastic will again visit the oversold zone, and from the oversold zone, when we will receive another buying signal, then the price line will make another attempt to break out this resistance of this falling wedge. Now in case of breakout, our first target can be here, because this is our first resistance, and that will be approximately at $6.60, and our final target can be here at the tail of this falling wedge. That will be approximately at $8.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.